Today, these particular skills, honed over countless hours of practice and experience, proved to be incredibly useful and came in handy once again, demonstrating their enduring value and applicability in various situations. Now, as you proceed with this intricate process, it is absolutely essential that you engage your hands with a certain degree of precision and apply consistent, firm pressure. This is because the inherent properties of the stick, combined with the specific layout of the material, have a tendency to stretch it out, making careful manipulation crucial for achieving the desired outcome. Furthermore, when considering the overall design and functionality of a seat, the precise shape and the integrity of its edges are of paramount importance. These elements contribute significantly to both the aesthetic appeal and the structural stability of the final product. Consequently, it becomes critically important to recognize the opportune moment to seize your work, ensuring that you stop in a timely manner to prevent overworking the material or compromising its intended form. Yes, of course, even though the actual felting process itself might appear to be relatively brief, often taking no more than a single hour, or in some instances even less time than that, it nonetheless demands a considerable amount of physical and mental energy. This intensive engagement means that you also need to consciously and consistently maintain your personal tone and energy levels throughout the entire endeavor, ensuring you remain focused and effective from start to finish.